Welcome back. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and bell for notifications. It is June the 26th of 2019. Figured I'd do a Red Wiggler Wednesday update. Start off with the Worm Factory 360. After last week, I did move the bottom tray up to the top. Try to get some of these worms to migrate out of the castings. And I started another tray. So this is all brand new in here. And there's a lot of worms right there. Looks like they have started moving down. I did put some food in here. I did all that off camera. And that was our formerly middle tray. So just a quick little update on the Worm Factory 360. This bin here was our castings. I got a little bait cup in there, but these were the castings from the tray that was at the top. Just gonna pour that in there, see if we got any worms. Not many. Looks like there's still some food. Got a few worms in there. I'm gonna just knock them off. Put that food back in that cup. I didn't think there was a whole lot left in there. And then this has been our holding bin basically. But it is mainly castings now. There's been so many worms in here. This is what I've been putting all of the bait cups in. But they are just turning all that into castings because there's so many worms in here. So I started a bait cup for them. Try to get some of them out of here. So I think I'm just going to dump these here in a minute. Just want to go through here and check them out. Did have some banana peels left in here. It looks like they're eating them up. A little bit of food. Banana peel there that wasn't frozen. Still quite a bit of worms in there. And then this was our castings that we've been baiting out of. I think we got pretty much all the worms out of here. At least 99% of them. The castings look really good. Not much left but castings and eggshells. Smells so good. I love that earthy smell. I don't think there's many worms left in here. Maybe a few here and there. But I'm going to go ahead and dump these castings in with these castings real quick. So I got all those castings dumped into here. So this tub is almost completely full of castings. And this one is labeled 66 quart. And it's a little bit bigger. This one's a little bit bigger than that one. So this is at least 66 quarts for sure. It's almost completely full. And it's a lot of castings. I'm sure there's still a few worms in here. So we'll go ahead and put a bait cup in here off camera. But let's go ahead and dump these bait cups out. See what we got. Look at that. Alright. Talk about a worm ball. This basically a solid mass of worms. Lots of worms. Let's check out this other bait cup here. I'm expecting the same thing from it. Oh yeah, look at there. That's gonna have to be the thumbnail there. Get them dudes spread out and get a picture of that. Nice. I'm gonna figure out what to do with these. I might go ahead and put some bedding in here. Might go ahead and toss some back in the Worm Factory 360 also. That's all I got. It's been 47 weeks, so we're coming up on a year. I think it's August 1st. It'll be a year since we got started with the red wigglers. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. If you got any worm friends, share this video out for me. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.